Remember the video where I spilled molten copper on Vac-Man? So, molten copper seemed to bounce off his skin, as if the material from which he was made is not afraid of such temperatures. Just to recall you, the temperature of molten copper is plus 1100 degrees Celsius. The temperature of burning sparklers can reach up to plus 2000 degrees Celsius. Let's see if Vac-Man can remain unharmed this time. Hope that will be enough. Okay, let's make the throne for Vac-Man. This one was a real unboxing. 10,000 sparklers. Just look at this throne, although it also looks like a grave. So, we are far from people and are ready to begin, but safety is #1 priority. I don't think that Vac-Man is going to run away, but just in case, I'll use this metal wire. And who do you think will win today, Vac-Man or sparklers? Okay, are you ready? Then let's do that. I think everything is clear. Today, Vac-Man was defeated. All that is left of him, these small white pieces. And it seems like a part of the head. Do you guys like the video with sparklers? Hit that thumbs up button and show it to me. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care. Have you just seen that spider?